Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English Podcast. I am Ashley.
And I am Jack. Hello, everyone. Good to have you here today.
This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use easy words.
And if you do not understand, just listen again. It is completely normal.
Okay, Jack. Today, we have a fun question for you and for everyone listening.
Oh, I like fun questions. What is it?
Would you rather live in a big city or a small town?
Oh, that is a good question. I have to think about this.
Take your time. It is not easy.
Okay. I think I prefer a big city. Yes, a big city.
Interesting. Why do you prefer a big city?
Because in a big city, there is always something to do. Restaurants, cinemas, parks, museums.
Yes, big cities have a lot of things to do.
And there are a lot of people, a lot of energy. It feels exciting.
But also very busy. Busy means a lot of things happening. A lot of people, a lot of noise.
Yes, it is busy. But I like that. It makes me feel alive.
I understand that feeling. I lived in a big city for 2 years.
Really? And did you like it?
I liked it at first. It was exciting. So many things to see and do.
Yes, that is what I love about it.
But after some time, I felt tired. The city was too busy for me.
Too busy? Like too much noise, too many people?
Yes. And the traffic. Traffic means many cars on the road at the same time.
Oh, yes. Traffic in a big city is terrible sometimes.
It takes so long to go anywhere. Everything is slow because of the traffic.
That is true. I spend a lot of time in traffic every day.
Does that not make you tired?
Sometimes yes, but I still prefer the city life.
I respect that. Different people like different things.
What do you prefer then, Ashley? A city or a small town?
I prefer a small town, I think.
Really? Why?
Because in a small town, it is quiet. Quiet means not loud. Calm, peaceful.
Yes, small towns are very quiet.
And I like quiet. I feel more relaxed in a quiet place.
But is it not boring in a small town?
Sometimes, yes. There is not much to do in the evening.
See, that is the problem for me. I need things to do.
I understand. But for me, peace and quiet is more important than things to do.
That is interesting. We are very different.
Yes, we are.
Okay, everyone, quick break. If you like this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English Podcast.
It helps other people find us. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's continue. Ashley, what else do you like about small towns?
I like that you know your neighbors. A neighbor is a person who lives near you.
Yes. In a small town, everyone knows everyone.
Exactly. When I need help, my neighbor is there.
That is really nice, actually. In a big city, I do not know my neighbors at all.
Really? You do not know the people who live next to you?
No, I see them sometimes in the hall. We say hello, but that is all.
That is sad a little, I think.
Yes, maybe. In a big city, people are busy. They do not have time to talk.
In a small town, people have more time. They stop and talk. They help each other.
That is a good thing about small towns, yes.
And there is a strong community. Community means a group of people who live in the same place and know each other.
Yes, in a small town, the community is very strong.
People work together. They help each other. They know each other's names.
That is something I miss in the city. That feeling of community.
Yes. In a city, it can feel lonely sometimes, even with millions of people around you.
That is strange, but true. You can feel alone in a very busy place.
Exactly. Lots of people, but no real connection.
But in a small town, do you not feel like everyone knows your business?
Yes, that is true. Everyone knows everything about you.
That would make me uncomfortable.
It can be too much sometimes, yes. You have no privacy.
See, that is a problem for me. I like my privacy.
Yes. In a city, nobody knows what you do. It is more private.
Exactly. I can do what I want, and nobody notices.
That is true. In a big city, you are free in that way.
Yes, freedom is important to me.
I understand. Both have good things and bad things.
Yes, no perfect answer. It depends on the person.
Exactly. Some people need the energy of a city. Some people need the quiet of a small town.
What about you? If you could choose right now, where would you live?
Right now, I would choose a small town, but near a big city.
Oh, that is clever. The best of both worlds.
Yes, quiet at home, but the city is close when I need it.
I like that idea, actually. Maybe that is the perfect answer.
Maybe, yes. A little of everything.
Okay, let's do our recap. The words from today.
Number 1, busy. A lot of things happening. A lot of people. A lot of noise.
Number 2, quiet. Not loud, calm, peaceful. Number 3, neighbor. A person who lives near you. Number 4, traffic. Many cars on the road at the same time. And number 5, community. A group of people who live in the same place and know each other. 5 easy words today, all about where we live and how we feel about it. Now it is your turn. Write in the comments, do you prefer a big city or a small town? And why? Tell us in English. We read every comment. We love reading your answers. And if you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon. Bye, everyone. Take care.